Hey guys, Brian here with Limelight Detailing in Boise, Idaho, and today I just wanted to show you what it looks like, what carpet looks like after we got done extracting it. And actually pretty proud of this vehicle. This is a 1999 Mazda B4000 pickup truck, so you know, over 20 years old, and got the carpets really clean, but just wanted to show you guys what comes out of an extractor when we actually shampoo out of upholstery. So let me just show you a little demonstration. This seat right here we haven't actually done yet, so I'm just going to show you a demonstration and then what comes out afterwards. So that's just a small section of the seat, and we've done all of the other carpets and all of the other seats back here. And then if you come over to our extractor, it's time to empty it. And this is what comes out of your upholstery. So anyway, if you have a dirty car, if you've got carpets or upholstery or fabrics on the inside of your vehicle that you're looking to have freshened up, we'd love to do that for you. Check out our interior detail, our mini detail, classic or Limelight detail package. All of those include the process that you saw here today in this video. You can book your appointment online at limelightdetail.com or check us out at 208-391-3455. Thanks a lot.